In today's video, I'll be giving you an honest review of RoboMarkets, a well-known brokerage platform. If you're new to the world of trading, or maybe you're a seasoned trader looking for a reliable broker, RoboMarkets might be on your radar. Let's break down everything you need to know about this platform. Advantages: RoboMarkets offers access to a wide range of assets like Forex, stocks, indices, and commodities. One of its biggest perks is the availability of various account types, catering to both beginner and advanced traders. The platform is easy to use, and they also offer a demo account so you can practice your strategies without risking real money. RoboMarkets provides a variety of trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are industry standards. Additionally, it supports automated trading and copy trading, allowing users to replicate the success of experienced traders. Disadvantages: on the downside, RoboMarkets has higher commissions for certain account types compared to other platforms. Some users also report that the platform's customer service can be slow at times, especially during peak trading hours. Additionally, while they offer many tools, beginners might find the advanced trading features overwhelming at first. Service overview and costs: RoboMarkets' commission structure is competitive, but it can vary depending on the type of account you open. Spreads are relatively tight for pro accounts, but basic accounts might experience slightly wider spreads. Deposits and withdrawals are usually free, but fees can apply for specific methods or frequent transactions. Another great feature of RoboMarkets is the leverage offered, which can be up to 1 to 500, allowing traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. Mid-video advertising integration: are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Why RoboMarkets stands out: what sets RoboMarkets apart is its focus on innovation. They provide several useful tools to enhance your trading experience, like advanced charting tools, algorithmic trading, and even VPS servers for traders who want to ensure their strategies are executed flawlessly without any downtime. RoboMarkets also offers educational content, helping traders learn more about the markets, refine their strategies, and keep up with financial news. This makes it an ideal platform for traders at every stage, from beginners to pros. One of the standout features of RoboMarkets is its CopyFX service, which allows traders to follow and copy the strategies of successful traders. This is especially beneficial if you're new to the market or don't have the time to research and execute trades yourself. To get started, simply open an account on RoboMarkets, choose your preferred platform, and start trading. You can explore different assets, test strategies with a demo account, and even leverage the copy trading feature to mirror top traders. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to subscribe and give a like if you found this review helpful.